how to make text appear and disappear on Instagram Reels. In order to do that, click on this plus icon right here and then just choose the reel option. And then from in here, just select the image that you want to upload as a reel. Now from in here, click on this edit video option. And then from in there, you can see this option for add text. So click on this add text right here. Now from in here, just type anything. So for example, for this, let's add in here a subscribe text. Now, once you have added that, click on done, and then you can see it right here. Now, click on done in here as well, and as you can see, we have now the text. So in order to make this disappear, you need to just click on split, and then just position it just like this one. Now, when you try to play this particular reel that you have created, we have in here the text. Now, this will disappear, and after a few seconds, it will appear again. So from in there, just click on this next option right here, and you should be able to publish your Instagram reel. So that's how you make text appear and disappear on Instagram Reels. Hope we helped.